You pronounce them wrong. Italian sounds that don't exist in English. Yeah, like in the word foglio, figlio, or in the article gli. Try to pronounce it with me. Yeah, 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 gne, like in gnocco and lasagna. All together. Gne, gne, gne. Z, like in zucchero and mezzo. Once again. Z, z, z. Let's compare your R with ours. R, r. It's stronger than yours. Roma, Rome, Roma. Rule, regola. All together again. R, r, r. Double consonant sounds. I know that these sounds don't exist in English, like farfalla, butterfly, pistacchio, pistachio, bruschetta, bruschetta, not bruschetta. We can accept bruschetta as well, but not bruschetta. Double T, guys. Share this video with a friend if it was useful.